Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, welcome to Santic BD. Today I will show Mashreq Bank ATM Amazing cardless cash system. Without ATM card, how you to withdraw your money from Mashreq Bank account using by cardless cash option. Cardless cash system is a very easy system to withdraw your money from Mashreq Bank account. When you generate code for cardless cash out, this code valid only for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this code will be invalid. So friends, if you seen my video first time, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell button for more update videos. If you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Friends, welcome back after intro. First log in your Mashreq account by mobile apps or Windows. Give your user and password, then click sign in. Friends, log in our Mashreq account, and down you can see some option: overview, transfer, reference, fair bill, and more option. So we'll be click on more option, and down you can see card service. After card service, you can see cardless cash. So click on cardless cash on this option and scroll this page. Down you can see new cardless cash request. Click on this option. Then you can see this center page and how much you want to withdraw. Write here your amount. Minimum 100 dirham you can withdraw by cardless cash service. Not possible to withdraw less than 100 dirham. And down we can see submit option. We'll be click on submit option and we get one OTP, 6-digit OTP from Mashreq Bank. We'll be type here this OTP here, 829329, 829329, and one more 6-digit authentication code will be get from Mashreq Bank. With this OTP, we can withdraw our cardless cash money. Friends, this is my authentication code 285730. With this code, we can withdraw our cardless cash amount. So now we'll go to Mashreq ATM and withdraw our amount. Friends, this is the Mashreq Bank ATM. On the ATM screen, we see here cardless cash option. So we'll be click on this option and we will type now 6-digit authentication code. Then press the enter button and select your withdrawable amount. Then print receipt and you will get now your cash. Friends, I hope you are understand how to withdraw cardless cash money. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I'll be back again with a new amazing update. So thank you and bye bye.